If you're a beginner, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere.
Today we focus on simple, effective full body exercises.
Always begin with a 5-minute warm-up to prevent injuries.
Start with light cardio like walking on the treadmill.
Keep your posture straight and breathe steadily.
Now let's move to bodyweight squats. Extend your arms for balance and lower down. Good, now push back up.
Stand shoulder width apart and lower your hips slowly. Keep your back straight and knees aligned with toes.
Perform 12 controlled repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next exercise, push-ups. Great for chest and arms.
Keep your body straight from head to heels.
Lower yourself slowly, then push back up. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. Keep your back straight and chest up. Exhale as you rise. Now grab light dumbbells for bicep curls. Now grab light dumbbells for bicep curls. Keep elbows close to your body. Curl the weight up, elbows in. Lower slowly, keeping elbows tucked. Lift the weight slowly and control the movement down. Complete 10 to 12 reps.
Let's finish with a plank hold. Hands under shoulders, body straight. Engage your core, keep breathing. Let's finish with a plank hold. Hands under shoulders, body straight. Engage your core, keep breathing.
Keep your core tight and back straight. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Focus on proper form, not heavy weights. This builds the muscle, not the ego. Focus on proper form, not heavy weights. This builds the muscle, not the ego.
Great job today. See you at your next workout.